TrialExplorer is a non-commercial application designed for educational and research purposes. Our mission is to make clinical trial data accessible to patients and researchers. In this video, we will run through the dashboard module. Immediately after opening the program, you will be presented with the dashboard. The dashboard will allow you to search for clinical trials and gain key insights into a disease, drug, or doctor. To demonstrate the dashboard, I will search brain tumors in the query and then select Refresh. After pressing Refresh, the dashboard will enable you to view timelines, charts, graphs, and maps based on your custom filters. Then, you may export the data and figures via social network or email to share with patients, researchers, and doctors. For more information on Geminid systems and other Geminid systems products, please visit www.geminidsystems.com.